One of the most challenging crafts that we've had a difficult time in bringing into our organization is diesel technicians. And I think this partnership with OSUIT can do just that, provide diverse opportunities for students and to make a career with a company like Kiewit. A diesel technician is a very difficult person to find these days. In order for us to be successful with our recruiting efforts, we have to be able to provide a bigger pipeline of individuals. So Kiewit's investment in OSUIT in the diesel technology program allows us to do that.
We hire with the intent and the goal that they have a long, prosperous career by providing them multiple opportunities from one project to the next. And then while they're on different projects, we provide them additional training so that they stay with us.
We had several students that was here from the new class that hasn't even started yet, and they're already starting to make contacts with this industrial partner. So in 2 years from now, when they're ready to graduate, they can go to work for them.